Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to mute notifications on Threads app. And all we have to do is to head on over to our Threads application. And then from here, we are going to tap on our profile and then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top. And then we are going to tap on notifications. From there, we are going to tap on post all. From there, it will tell us that you won't get push notifications, but you'll be able to see new notifications when you open Threads. As you can see, we are going to set them on either 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. But since this one can't really help us in actually muting the notification on the Threads application, another alternative that we can do that may help is to head on over to our settings, and then we're going to tap on app management, and then we are going to tap on app list. Then we are going to search for the Threads application or navigate to where we are going to find the Thread application. From there, I'm going to tap on it, and then we are going to tap on notifications. And then from there, we are going to disable the notification or toggle off the notification. And from there, once we toggle off the notifications, we won't be able to receive any notifications from the Threads app. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.